Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today I'm going to be unboxing my special order dyes that I order from Kathy Sprague, and where you can find her is over on Facebook at Tie-Dye Supplies Marketplace, and this is how it's written out. These are the special order dyes that Dharma has that come in the 5-pound containers, and I'm not sure what the deal is, like if they're discontinued dyes or what it is, but they're not on the regular list. So what Kathy does is she buys the big 5 pounds and then she breaks them down into smaller containers, 4-ounce size and 8-ounce size, because that's a lot of dye at 5 pounds. She packages them very well. They're in nice little containers. She tapes them shut so the dye doesn't get everywhere. And the box is packed really nicely and secure, and she ships really quick. And she sells out of these dyes quickly, so if you're interested in getting the dyes, I suggest you head over right away. I know she's getting low on stock, and when that stock is out, she's going to be ordering different colors, and so these colors will be gone for a while. And another place you can find her is Tidewater Fiber Arts. This is more of her personal page, but you can also contact her there. So I'm excited to get to playing with these dyes, and I will be swatching them out like I have been with the other dyes. And we're going to have a lot of fun with these new colors. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up and click the bell and set it to all. That way you get notified of future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.